Check this out. My turmeric is flowering. Look at that. This flower is so beautiful. This is the first time I've seen this. This is the first time I've seen this. I'm not sure what it means also. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research, find out what it means so that I can let you guys know what it means. But I'm just finding this flower stunning. I mean, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I've been growing ginger and turmeric now more than I'd say more than 3 years, but I haven't had this flower, you know, and it's a pity you can't see it properly because it's in the enclosure. And even if I open there, I don't think, okay, let me try and open and see if I can get you guys a clean shot that doesn't have the wire on. And then also the sweet potato is sort of like on the way. Yeah, because you know, on the containers I double dip. I plant all the underground crops, so like your turmeric, your sweet potato, your potatoes, your yams, you know. But anyway, it's all about turmeric. Let me open this up. Let's get a nice good look of that flower there, and then we'll have to find out what it means to have that flower, or when the plant is flowering like that. Let's there we go. Now we are inside the enclosure. Look at that. Look at that yellow opening there. That looks like it has teeth. It's like it has vampire teeth. It looks like it's waiting for food or something like that. This is so interesting. It looks so beautiful. You know, I can't help also to notice that it has two tiny little shoots. Man, the sweet potato is on the way. You know, it has two tiny little shoots on the side, which makes me wonder if the tuber, oh God, come on, if the tuber is extending itself, so it's moving sideways, growing, hence these two little shoots, because these shoots, they come from the tuber itself. But what fascinated me the most was this gorgeous flower here. It was this beautiful flower here. This thing is so gorgeous. You know, I can't even take my eyes off it. It is so beautiful. And it's a bummer, or it's a pity that I've got all this other stuff going on here, so which sort of like takes away, you know, from what, guys, what? Yeah, this is turmeric, yeah, and it is flowering there. Look at that, so beautiful. This medicinal plant that is packed with medicinal properties is flowering such a beautiful flower. You know, a flower, this flower, it's amazing. And I'm wondering what it means for it to have the flower, you know. But I'll have to find that out, and I'll have to share that with you guys. What does it mean for it to flower like this? You know, does it mean the tuber is ready for harvest? Or does it mean the tuber is growing well? What does it mean for it to flower like that? I didn't know that it can flower like that until this morning when I came around here and I was looking, and I was like, oh wait, what is that? What's going on there? You know, that's another turmeric there, but it does look quite not so great. I mean, it has quite a lot of yellowish leaves, which is a sign of not doing so well. Sweet potato, I'm gonna have to harvest the sweet potato there. Those tubers are ready to come out. You can see them. Anyway, we're about turmeric, not sweet potato. Yeah, so I don't know if this one also will flower, but what I'm noticing, this one is quite a little bit skinny in terms of its body. Then this one is a little bit fat. I don't know whether it's fat because of the flower or what, but what I'm noticing also is that this one has 2 babies that are coming up on the side, and those babies would normally come out from a tuber, so which means the tuber is growing and it's extending itself, which is good thing for us, because it means when we harvest we will get quite a little bit bigger turmeric tuber there that can be good for consuming, unlike this guy here, which is a little bit skinny. But now this is tricky because I don't know whether this guy is also part of that flowering guy there, you know, because the tuber can still grow across like that and then produce this shoot. But this one definitely, I would say no, it isn't. This one, it is on its own, but also you can see it looks quite very babyish, very young. So yeah, but the interesting thing, like I say, is that flower there. What got me here is that flower there. You know, I've never seen it. It is the first time, and I'll find out what it means, and I'll let you guys know what that flower actually mean. It's beautiful though. I love it. And I'm wondering if all these other turmeric will also produce flowers. Anyway, guys, now that I'm here for turmeric, I'm also noticing that my sweet potato is actually ready to be harvested. You know, I think almost all these buckets are ready for harvest, because in all of them I can see tubers peeping up on the soil, saying hello, you know. And yeah, look here, can you see there is a cluster of them here? There is a cluster of tubers here. I don't know if you can see them. There's like I can see like 3 or 4 of them, you know. Yeah, so here's another one. There is another one there. Yeah, so I need to get them out. I need to harvest them, and I need to prepare the slips so that when I harvest I can put them back. But anyway, let's get back to the flower. This flower has given me hope that I will harvest quite a good amount of turmeric this season, and I appreciate that. But until we actually pull it out and see, I cannot say for sure. Look at that spider that's featuring itself on this video. Can you see the spider? The spider wants to be on the video. This is very interesting. The spider behaves as though it knows that I'm recording, and it just wants to be part and parcel of this video. Well guys, so after I've done a little bit of reading, I read just a little bit about this flowering turmeric. Well, I think out of 5, 6, if not 7 points, I probably take the first one, which is that it means the plant is healthy and has reached a reproduction phase. So meaning it is about to produce smaller other plants or cluster of plants. So which means the tuber, the turmeric itself, is spreading, it is growing in size, because remember the tiny plants can only come out of a turmeric root itself. They don't just come out of nothing. So yeah, so they say that the flower, it means that the fertility of the plant is at high level. It is ready to reproduce itself. So which is good, I guess, which is good, and which I like and I'm happy with. Well, the other things was like prosperity, vigor and all that. Well, probably prosperity for the plant as well, because they will be giving more roots or more tubers. I don't know, but the first point was the one that really resonated with me, that I liked, and I'm happy with that flower. Yeah, and I'm making this video in the car because now I had to rush from making that video of the flower, and I have to go fetch someone. And these grass cutters are making a lot of noise. I don't know if I'll even come through, because my neighbor has people that maintain his grass. They're cutting. Anyways, Sandile here, the guy who lives on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. You know the drill, you know the story. The last time I checked, we were sitting at 342, 343 somewhere there. My target was to reach 500 before 2024 ends. We didn't, but I'm still happy with what we did. I'm back on my knees. I'm saying please, please, please do subscribe, do hit the notification bell so that you get notified. I know I've been slacking with videos because unfortunately I live in a place where it can rain like a whole week, you know, and then there's nothing I can do when it's raining. And I'm not complaining, because I appreciate the rain, because it fills my JoJo tank, it fills my buckets that I used to harvest the rain, given the fact that our municipality is also slacking with water. So you know, water is life, we need water. However, I need you guys to understand that if I'm not putting up videos, it's because really I cannot get out and make the videos or shoot the videos. And sometimes, you know, yeah, other things, they come and they pass. Like luckily today it's not raining. We've had like 4 days of rain, and then it took a break today, and I went around the perimeter to check, and I saw the flower, and I was like, let's make a video of this flower, you know. Otherwise, I'll try get the videos as constant as I can for you guys with information. And that's me, Sandile here. Guy lives on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. I am out.